This small metal wheel controls your motorcycle's power. But making it requires precision engineering. It all begins with high-strength alloy steel. This is a motorcycle sprocket. Let's see how it's made. Large steel sheets arrive at the factory.
Each batch is inspected for quality. Thickness is within tolerance.
The steel is prepared for cutting. Computer-guided machines ensure precision. Circular blanks are cut from the sheet. These blanks form the base structure. Next comes the shaping process. High pressure refines the metal grain. This increases overall strength. Now precision machining begins. The center bore is drilled. Mounting holes are added. Accuracy here is critical. The most important step is cutting the teeth. Each tooth must be perfectly shaped. A gear hobbing machine does this sprocket of motorcycle precisely. Even small errors can affect performance. Uniform spacing ensures smooth chain movement. Computer control guarantees symmetry. Edges are refined carefully. Now it looks like a real sprocket, but it's still not strong enough. They enter a high-temperature furnace. Extreme heat changes the metal structure of a part for a motorcycle. After heating, rapid cooling begins. Oil quenching hardens the surface. Now it has both hardness and toughness. Surface cleaning removes scale. Polishing smooths the edges. Protective coating prevents rust. Some receive special finishes. Now they are nearly ready. Others keep a natural metallic look.
Checking this sprocket for quality. Teeth profile's perfect, no defects.
Every piece is inspected.